Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a look at the Google Nest Mini second generation. As you can see down here, second generation. We have the charcoal grey one. Nice. The box is nice and Google style with minimalism. Here we have the what it can be connected to, like YouTube Music and Spotify, obviously, Google Calendar, Google Maps, and Google Duo. You have the assistant, small and mighty. Nice picture there, apart from the seals, which are already unsealed in my case. And here in small types, I can read it for you. It says, turn up the music. It's the mini speaker with big sound. Group it with another speaker and fill your room with sound. Control TVs, lights, thermostats, and thousands of smart devices with your voice, obviously if they are connected with the Google stuff. And make calls, set timers, check the weather, and more, hands-free. So we can unbox the Google Nest Mini charcoal grey second generation. As you can see, immediately we are encountered with the Nest Mini. It's like a puck. It's nice, it's light, small, and it serves the purpose. It's like mesh speaker all around. Here you have even the switch it off. And the power supply goes there, and that's it. It can also be hanged against the wall. So that's the Nest Mini immediately when you open the box. Plastic, Google papers, not plastic, well, cardboard, but it seems like plastic, this one. These are the Google papers. Let's get started. Being part of your home means respecting your privacy, and there you go, with Google taking care. And you can read all about it. We have the power supply, which is also a nice, with the G for Google, smooth, rubbery feeling of a cable, white, clean, nicely pegged, with its pin here to power, obviously, our friend the puck here, Nest Mini. And for us Europeans, since it comes with this double pin here, which we can't cater for in our houses, we have the adapter included in the box, like so. That's better for us. And that's all in the box. Empty box. So there you have it. You can remove this one from here, leave it clean. The Google Nest Mini charcoal grey. What do you think about it? You have one? Which color do you have? And for what do you use it? If you want a follow-up of this video playing the Google Assistant, tell me, but I believe that nowadays the majority of you already use this type of assistants and speakers. Take care, a short one, just to let you know, and unbox the Google Nest Mini. Take care, have a good day, and see ya in the next video.